Hello, welcome to the presentation of our 1.1 Classroom Technology Plan. We are Audrey Miller
and Cynthia Johnson,
presenting our technology plan for a 1.1 classroom for the Texas Independent School District. In preparation for this proposal, we collected a group of stakeholders who represented the major interests in our technology plan. These stakeholders include student, administrative, and parental representatives from each school, representation from the school board, district administration, and the TISD Information Technology Director, as well as community and organizational entities expected to participate in the social aspect of this plan.
In all, almost 50 individuals participated in the various planning sessions as this technology plan was developed and researched. A plan that proposes to radically change an ingrained process must have the support of all the stakeholders, or there will be little to no cooperation from the users of the new system. With teachers, students, and parents all contributing to the structure of the new educational environment, their investment will make them more willing to change and to formalize a new normal.
Continuing TISD's commitment to providing a 21st century education to all students, the 1.1 classroom builds upon the technical modernization already in place and fully supported by the vision and mission of our district. TISD's vision is a 21st century education that is fully accessible to all students and learning spaces conducive to creating global and technologically responsible citizens. Our mission is to provide the infrastructure necessary to fulfill the vision by providing every student in every classroom an individual computer dedicated specifically for their use in their education.
The TISD currently consists of 10 schools, 489 teachers, and 7,400 students. Building upon the teachers' computers already in place, this plan proposes the use of Chromebook computers for every student, using the Google suite of productivity applications and other Internet educational tools in connection with the ISTE standards.
The standards of 21st century education as expressed by the International Society for Technology in Education, known as ISTE, are to encourage student creativity, collaboration, communication, critical thinking and learning, problem solving, and global digital citizenship. The Chromebook and Google system of educational resources are well suited to achieve the goals of the ISTE student standards. These resources encourage real-time collaboration through the Internet, which require careful communication, initiative in learning, innovative design and the solution of problems, the ability to create documents to illustrate knowledge, and to learn how to function safely and responsibly in the digital society.
Research shows that every student must have individual access to a computer to learn to use it as an extension of the thinking and cognitive process, and inspirational learning spaces are also important to the success of this goal. A one-to-one environment increases student engagement and self-motivation, resulting in students who take a greater ownership in their own education, which further prepares them to be productive citizens in their local society as well as responsible global citizens.
Successful implementation of this 1.1 classroom technology plan is formed around 3 goals. Goal 1 will require the improvement of learning spaces, which is primarily in the hands of the individual teacher. Goal 2 addresses expected student outcome improvement through creative integration of digital educational technologies. Goal 3 involves the acquisition and installation of the necessary hardware and software for the 1.1 learning environment. A significant aspect of our 1.1 school district plan is the establishment of a community-wide social media platform. Transparency and leadership is important to the TISD, and the proposed social media platform will connect the school and community in a variety of strands. Teachers will create websites for their classes that will include information unique to that classroom, as well as a calendar, class assignments, tutorial information, and other items of interest for the student, parents, and neighborhood.
Each school will have social media accounts with Facebook and Twitter and will share encouraging and helpful information and important news items concerning school schedules and functions. Members of the community will have a voice concerning what kinds of information are most important to them. The community will be encouraged to interact with the schools through these social media outlets. Accessibility and transparency will be the guiding philosophical principles behind the TISD social media platform. Targeted training and professional development workshops are included to ensure the successful implementation of all goals. The timeline anticipated for implementation of this technology plan is 9 months from the time of approval and release of funds for equipment purchases, with all 3 goals intended to be accomplished before the start of the 2020 academic year. The total anticipated cost of this plan is $2,111,574.25. On behalf of the Technology Planning Committee, we thank you for your time and attention. If you have any questions about any aspects of this overview, we welcome feedback. We hope that you will download and read the detailed technology plan, check out the infographic, and you can comment on this page and we will respond. For email communications, you may contact us at sin.edtech@gmail.com.